It is dinner time, guys. Time check. It is 6:30 p.m. So we're gonna go to the corner and buy roasted chicken for our dinner. And I'm gonna bring you guys with me so you guys can see it, because the way we make the chicken here, the roasted chicken, is different. The Filipino fried chicken. So no, the Filipino roasted chicken. So everybody's going with me just to go there. So here we go. Car. Okay.
Hindi pa sarado man natin.
Mama, naglobat na.
Hawas mo ate kay lubat mo. Ano? Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Bayad dyan.
So Clarice is here.
Si Clarice, what happened?
Aalis kami lahat. Sama ka?
Hindi, si Carl, kukunin ko na.
Kukunin mo lang si Carl?
Oh, yun, nakukuha na ni ate.
Oh, sige.
Kuha na lang, bahata.
Sige, Day. Wala ko, di ka sasama?
Sama ka sa kanila? Oo, sige.
Tita, ba't kukunin mo si Carl?
Wala, pinapakuha ni mami mo.
Bye, Carl!
Bye-bye!
Bye! Kiss, Tito, kiss.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye!
Hug.
Bye-bye!
Bye, Carl!
Cute.
Bye-bye!
Bye, Carl! Bye-bye! Yeah. Bye-bye!
Iwisi ka.
Bibili lang kami ng chicken.
Sige.
So, we're just gonna buy roasted chicken. Everybody's going. So, they're bored. Seatbelt ka, ma. Tanggalin mo itong bag na to. Maglalakad nga lang sana kami ngayon ni Richan eh. So ma, I'll just borrow your 1,000 peso. So doon sa 7-Eleven, merong itim doon yung Richan, no? Doon sa 7-Eleven?
Oh, di sa gawas?
Oo.
Oo, man.
Doon sa ano, corner.
So yung kunwarero mo, magbabaktas kita tingin binto may gawas?
Ha?
Kunwarero mo po.
Oo, kung marahiraw mo, pag mababaktas ka doon ha. Kaya mo? Tama ba, itak plano? Okay, inumpod maninin.
Lunay na napunta na sa kasada.
Hirap mo dun, ma.
Ganon.
Yan, oo. Yan. Itaas-taas mo. Yan. Si Richard, pawakan mo. Si Richard. Para makita yung sunset dun. Ayan. Ito talaga nakakaano kasi ito talaga sa ano, sa kalsada.
Lang.
Nakakaano ba? Nakakasagabal.
Dito kuya. Okay la?
Yeah, okay lang yan, Day. Kumakasingit, maraming ano eh.
Ay, wala nga mo abot mo lagi hapon ka. Wala nang makatira. Ay, ganoon sila.
Wala.
Gusto kayo kami.
So dyan lang kayo ha, sa car ha?
Oo.
Gantay. Kasi kami ni Rich Ann, maglalakad kami. Peram ng 1,000.
Uy, palit na lang.
So guys, I leave them here. We just park here because the parking, it's so hard to find at the corner. So I left my car here and they're just here inside waiting for me. So Rich Ann and I, we're gonna go walk over to the corner and get the roasted chicken. So Rich Ann is my mom's helper. She take good care of my mom, just like it's like a caregiver. Rich Ann. So we're gonna walk now to there. Rich Ann. So in the last video, I told you guys that when you are walking here, especially in public places like this, you want to make sure that you put your bag right in front of you. But I'm not saying it's not safe in here in the Philippines, but you know, you just want to be safe. But if you are in a good area where you go inside the mall, it is safe there. But places like this, you don't want to trust, if you know what I mean. So just keep that in your mind if you're visiting here, because they could steal your cell phone, your wallet, could be anything. Alright. Just keep walking this, layo pa man dahil, no? We still gotta walk 0.2 miles to there, to the corner. Okay. Maligsan tanong diya. There's a truck. Alright, we're almost there. So, our the roasted chicken here, guys, the way they made it, they put some what is it, lemongrass, so it tasted so good, and they chop it for you. So I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. We're almost there. Right there. Just gonna take a picture of it. Yes, here we go. This is what we're gonna buy right here. Roasted chicken. Ilan tayo? Hello kuya. Roasted chicken nga po. 4 po. Kuya, pwede separate? Separate lang. Thank you. So, see, this is how they made it here, guys. It's different than, it's kind of similar, but they added a lemongrass inside the chicken. So, oh, I'm gonna do it. Wala man akong bagay. Oh. Sabi? Okay, welcome. Yes. Ipakita mo siya, ipakita mo. Hindi ko alam eh. Comes with the sauce too, so it's made it good with the chicken. Very good. Sa atin, kay kuya. Sa atin. Sige lang para bukas. Magkano kuya yung chicken? Magkano po siya yung isa? 310. Ha? 310. 310, okay. Sige lang. Bali 1,200 siguro. Ha? Oo.
I know.
Ha? Wala gid ay. Wala nang Thank you po, kuya. So guys, I got 4. So 1 for us, for my sister, for my brother. So we're gonna stop by at their house to drop the chicken. So to the ATM machine. Right there, let's go. I need to go withdraw some cash. Actually, dito na lang dahil sa GR Bank. Pwede dito diba? Do you have more cash? Hindi sana ako ng corn. Wala na no. Ano yun? tayo ng corn. Meron pa pala ako. Guys. Guys. Alright. I'm gonna buy corn. Wala mang corn dito, an. They're out.
Sabi ko ba, sir?
So, wala na. Magkano? Kubra muna ako ng ano. Hawakan mo muna to, Day. Alright guys, so next one is we're gonna buy some street foods here. The barbecue. This is very common here in the Philippines, especially at night. Like everybody wants to buy dinner. So we got hot dogs, pork, chicken intestine. So we're gonna buy some. Yeah, okay lang i-vlog. Kuya, magkano po?
25 lang.
Ito po, 25. Excuse me po. So I'm gonna... Excuse me po. Apat. Luto na siya? Bali, initin lang? Okay. Tapos... meron kayong isaw, kuya? Wala, no?
Pasto ba doon?
Opo. Saka ano pala kuya, dalawang hotdog din.
Dapat dito wala ba? Wala pa yun. Mahang na, boss?
Opo, maanghang po. Ibarya kayo sa 1,000 po.
Take out po, baso.
Take out. Opo.
25 po.
This is how you do it, guys. The sauce is so good. It's more fun here in the Philippines. Thank you po. Alright, we get the chicken now. No, I get the pork and 2 hot dogs. I just want to try it. And now we still have to drop the. We still gotta stop by at my brother's house and my sister's house because I get them dinner. And how much we pay for everything? For 4 roasted chicken in US dollar, it's probably, because it's 310, so it's probably 13 bucks or 15 bucks, around that. So it's actually, to think of it, it's cheap. But only for us, for Well, if you are earning dollar, it's cheap. But if you live here, 310, it can go, it can go a long way. You know, 310, it could feed that one chicken alone. It could feed 5 to 10 people, as long as you eat it with the rice. Ha? Sige mo na lang ito. So the life here is so simple, you know. You have $1,000 retirement a month. You can survive here, guys, with that money. You can have a maid, somebody wash your clothes, clean your house. You could get an apartment here for $200, $100 a month. But $100 a month, I think it comes with 2 rooms. It depends which area and which part of. It depends where you are, but you can get it. The cheapest rent you can get it here is $100, but $300, it's like a condo already. It's like a nice house already. Say hi. Hey. Actually, I want to try the barbecue. Okay. I want to try the barbecue. Day, gusto mo? Try natin. Okay, let's try it. Pasilusin natin sila. Huwag ka lang umubos. Alright, we're gonna try it. Super good. They're behind us, we're eating. Oh. Oh, ihatag. Hot dog. Hawakan mo nga, Day. Ganyan mo na, ha. Alright, guys. It's so good. Go.
Mga ito dito magula sa ipabandang ang pugros nga bagtas, hindi ka grande. May nilang
Alright, so my brother lives here. We're just neighbors too. They're just a few blocks away from us. So I'm just gonna drop this off, the chicken that I got for them. But the problem here, though, in their area here, is that they have a very tight, narrow road here. Like, you see, it's very tight here. They don't really have designated parking. So you just have to really kind of extra careful driving through here. Oh, see that? Anyway, I'm just gonna park here at the court. Daddy, can you go with me?
Dito lang.
No, so are not gonna have a hard time backing up. We're just gonna park here. Para di na tayo maglayo ba? I'm just gonna drop the chicken. Huh? I'm just gonna drop this off. Again, we're just gonna drop this off at their house. Day. Hello po.
Ay, daw na ay sila.
Tote,
Napakasra mo?
i-drop na ako ang lechon manok, kuya.
Ano ba na yung
Just dropping off. Yeah, kasi nagpalit mi sa ano, sa dulo. Palit ko saman mo. Ako. Ha? Nasali mo mag-gym? Oh.
Ayan, ayan.
Ay, nasa vlog.
Thank you.
So, this is their store. I'm just dropping that chicken, guys, for them because I also got for my sister.
Pinapay.
And, sige lang din. Like, okay na. Haman mga kuha mo, batos.
Sininday lang na kaya sininday ko lang nag-seminar.
Samanday. Basta. Pwede ako lechon manok, day. Na makapangaon.
Anyan ma. Ito man mo na pilan. Pauta na si Bigyan. Di na niya gipalit ma. Sa kuwan. Jinra. Jumbo. Oo. Oh, may di ay.
Anay. So guys, if you have a mini store like this here in the Philippines, you could make a living like this. Like neighbors will buy. There are neighbors that's gonna buy it.
Kini. Nyam nyam. Sima.
O sige na ma. Te, katame te. Kuya, ngadto na la ha? Ngadto na la mo kay di kasi ko naman la ko sa balay lagi. Ingat mi sa kay ako gi.
Kaman po dahil di.
Ako kasi tigi koan. Ingat mi sa kanto ako gi vlog pod kasi. Kaya nangari la mi. O sige te ha kuya.
Palumalo ba siya lakaw-lakaw?
O sige, bye-bye. Kuma. Sige te. Oo. Kaya? We're dropping off the chicken. Siya ano ka? Sasama ka? Pag-uwi ka na?
Hindi, bababa siya kay kukunin.
Pao, chicken niya, binili ko para sa inyo. Chicken, binili ko yan para sa inyo. Wala problema. Para na siya.
Bila gitu mo uban?
Di na siya sasama?
Oo, ihatod na lang nila siya. Ha?
Oo, sige Pao. Okay, welcome.
Piniro nila dako. Ala, kadada ko sa ila-ilo.
Mas mga unat ah.
Uy, iba na.
Sino? Ay.
Hindi na sa tabok.
Naman na.
Sako, balay na oh. Ano yun?
It's time to eat dinner. Yeah, looks good.
Kung hindi pa kayo mamahilig dahil sa teacher mo, palit na. Nabong ka rin na lang sa teacher mo.
Look at this. Smells good. Let's eat. Time to eat. Where's the rice? My favorites. Rice is life for Filipino guys. Without rice, we can't survive. You see?
Kahulat.
Ano man yung silot-lot? Day.
Hindi na po.
Are you done? Look at this, guys. Looks yummy.
Ayaw ko tak sinilas. Sinilas, ako ang luto.
Tumatawa mo si Marmar.
Lagi lang ito bangan.
Okay lang ito.
Kita kira ito na. Cara masak na nawang ng Marmar. Iya. Pero pagtimo.
Sumikat ka.
Maud ka pa, nga dugay ka naman. Ito ka di kamera. Kapag yun, mo pang timo.
May mo timo mo lang mo anak. Kurang na social.
Wala. He!
Isang ditira.
Oh, virgin.
Papa virgin si Marmar. Matay kusog day mo timo. They're shy camera. They are camera shy. So anta na ni Day?
Ako ko pag
Bukas mo pa. Kulang pa to eh. Gulat rin yan.
kaunin niya na jikton kay manok.
Maarte siya? Hindi ko makaon ng ano?
Hindi isda.
Isanay man ninyo.
Kanana ko sana man niya.
Kaluwi na to si ano no? Si... Sino ba yun? Sino pa nga yun? Nakalakat na? Pero kaluluwi yun si ano? Sino ba yun? Si Onyx?
Bigyan ka tag tubig. Dinala. Titin na ka lang. Ito nga na. Gat sa imong kuwan. Iya pwede na to ang putan pagtubong sa ilaw niya. Hindi na simisay ha, pati karihat, kawala ba ya? Nakambang na yung tawon.
Hindi, lalo mo diha.
Sige.
Hindi ako.
Eh! Eh!
Buksan mo na lang man, papasukin mo na. Hindi na yun.